Ano?
領収書が必要な方は領収書ボタンに触れてくだ
Lock
さい。
muna natin.
Back.
Doon tayo sa,
180.
doon tayo sa English.
All your information
Yun, purchase ticket.
displayed in English.
Ano ba doon?
Okay.
Wala
Please
yung
insert
bilang?
money or
Wala.
card. If you need a receipt, touch the receipt button.
Wala yung by 4. Yun na nakagaw.
Wala.
Ano yung barya
Please
tuloy?
insert your card. Navigation of receipt. Thank you. Not to forget to take your card.
Dito naman ang coin. Kanina yung bill.
Insert money or
Praktisado eh.
touch the
Taga
receipt
dito ako eh.
Kano yan, boss?
180.
Ano naman?
Navigation of receipt. Thank you. Not to
Dami
forget to take
ticket.
your card.
Wala kasi yung bulk, ano? May group package.